Next, we are discussing the next question. The question is, in figure, find the value of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. Here is given already the line AB and CD and it's cut by a transversal. Then there get the angles 50, x, 130 and y. So the question asks, first to find the value of x and y, then after we need to show that the line AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so here is not possible to take the lines are parallel because we need to show the lines are parallel here. Here lines parallel എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം തന്നെ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. കാരണം നമ്മളോട് എന്താണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ലൈൻസ് പാരലൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, then to prove the lines are parallel, what are we need to prove? Yes, we know that if we prove the corresponding angles are equal, or if we prove it the alternate integer angles are equal, or if we prove the co-interior angles are supplementary, then we conclude the lines are parallel. Correct? നമ്മൾ ഈ മൂന്നെണ്ണത്തിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? ഈ ലൈൻസ് പാരലൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പറയാം. But the question saying like this, before we need to find the value of x and y, then after only we show the lines are parallel. So first we finding the value of x and y. Then we know here AB is a line and is a transversal is also a line. These two lines intersect the 2 points. There we get the angle 50 and x. Here we get 130 and y. Then now is very clear, if the lines are intersect, then we get the angles angle 130 and y. Correct? So if they are lies just opposite, correct, opposite angles, so we call them as vertically opposite angles. Y and 130 are vertically opposite angles. Therefore what is the value of y? They are equal, so the value of y is equal to 130. Correct? And here what is the relation of 50 and x? Have a relation between 50 and x? Yes, we have a relation between 50 and x. What is that? Here this one is a line, the transversal is a line, and AB is also a line. So here these two angles, the one line, the one ray is a part of the line, correct? One ray stands on a line. There we get the two angles in the both side of ray. We call them as linear pair. Then 50 and x are linear pair. So we know the property. What is that? The linear pair angles are supplementary. So apply the property, is possible to find the value of x also. Correct? So we starting first we finding the value of x. X plus 50 is equal to 180. What is the reason? Since linear pair. Why we write x plus 50 is equal to 180? Because x and 50 are linear pair. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 50. What is 180 minus 50? Is equal to 130. Now we got the value of x. The value of x is equal to 130. Then here is very clear. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 130. Also y is equal to 130. Is the reason? Vertically opposite angle. 130 and y are vertically opposite angle. Therefore y is equal to 130. Okay, what is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal, so y is equal to 130. Here we got it the value of x and y, then is very clear x and y are equal. Then what is the next question? The question to ask to prove AB is parallel to CD. Correct. If we need to prove the two lines are parallel, if we get the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel, or co-interior angles are supplementary, the lines are parallel, or the alternate integer angles are equal, then also we say the lines are parallel. So here we checking is we get any one type of the angle here, then is very clear x and y are alternate integer angle. We already got it, the alternate integer angles are equal. Correct. Then we conclude the lines are parallel. Otherwise we check here is possible to get the corresponding angles 50, and here no, here is not given. It's possible to find, but it's not given directly here, am I right? And this also is not given, but here is given x and 130, they are corresponding angles. Correct. X and 130 are corresponding angles. We know the value of x is 130. Now if we got it here, the corresponding angles are equal. Then on the base of the corresponding angle also is possible to say the lines are parallel. ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് രീതി പറയാം. ഒന്നിക്കൽ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഇൻറ്റീജർ ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്നത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ലൈൻസ് പാരലൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പറയാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്നത് വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്കിവിടെ എന്താണെന്ന് പറയാം, ലൈൻസ് പാരലൽ ആണെന്ന് പറയാം. But in all the cases is not get like this the two ways. Okay, sometimes we get only one. എല്ലാ കേസിലും ഇതുപോലെ രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ടാകണമെന്നില്ല, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് മാത്രമേ അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. Then we need to verify which is existing there. Okay, which one is existing there. Clear? So here I proving like this. Also y is equal to 130. We know what is the vertically opposite angles. Then the next we proving AB is parallel to CD. I proving the idea like this, the line AB is parallel to CD. X and y are alternate interior angle. Therefore AB parallel to CD. What is the reason? Since alternate interior angles are equal. Interior angles are equal. Okay. Here the alternate interior angles are equal. Then we conclude the lines are parallel. Okay. Because x and y are alternate interior angle, we already got it, the alternate interior angle values both are 130. So x is equal to y, then we conclude AB is parallel to CD. Otherwise we say x and 130 are corresponding angle, they are equal. Correct, they are equal, so the lines are parallel. That's also correct. Okay, then I think you got it the idea about how to prove the lines are parallel. Any one of corresponding angle or alternate interior angle or co-interior angle, any one of these three satisfy their property, we get it to satisfy their property, or corresponding angles are equal, or alternate interior angles are equal, or co-interior angles are supplementary. Any one of these properties satisfying there, then we conclude the lines are parallel. Okay, next we are discussing our next question. The question is, in figure PQ is parallel to ST and given the angle PQR is equal to 110 and RST is equal to 130. Find angle QRS. Okay, then how do we find angle QRS? Now has any relation between 110 to QRS, this one? Now we didn't get any relation between these two. Correct. And here also we not get any relations. For to find the angle value of QRS, now we not get any relation of the given angles and angle QRS. So is already given PQ is parallel to ST. Correct. Then now is not possible to apply any properties of any angles properties of parallel lines. So what is the next? Next is to find the angle value of QRS. We constructing a line TU SU. We constructing a line UV through the point R parallel to ST. We construct a line UV parallel to ST through the point R. We construct a line through the point R parallel to ST. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ ഡയറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഏതുമായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട ആംഗിൾ QRSുമായിട്ട് ഡയറക്റ്റായിട്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട ആംഗിൾ QRSുമായിട്ട് ഡയറക്റ്റായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, നമ്മളൊരു ലൈൻ കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഏതിൽ കൂടി? ആറിൽ കൂടി. ഏതിന് പാരലായിട്ട്? STക്ക് പാരലായിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്സ്? construct a line UV, okay, a line UV through the point R to parallel ST. We construct a line UV through the point R to parallel ST. Okay, then now we got the idea. What we get? This UV parallel to ST. UV is parallel to ST. And given PQ is parallel to ST, UV is parallel to ST and PQ is also parallel to ST. Then comparing these two, what we get? Yes, we know the idea. The two lines are, one is parallel, UV is parallel to ST and PQ is also parallel to ST. Then by our previous result, we get UV is parallel to PQ. Therefore, UV is parallel to PQ. അല്ലേ, UV STക്കും PQവും UV STക്ക് പാരലാണ്, PQവും STക്ക് പാരലാണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ പാരലായിരിക്കും? UV PQവിന് പാരലായിരിക്കും. Then now we got it. PQ is parallel to UV and UV is parallel to ST and PQ is also parallel to ST. All the lines are parallel to each other. Then now we consider here PQ is parallel to UV. Okay, PQ is parallel to UV. Then we get their angle PQR and angle QRU. Okay, angle PQR and angle QRU. What we call these two angles? Yes, PQ is a line and UV is another one that cut by a transversal QR. Then there exists the angle PQR and angle QRU. We call these two angles are co-interior angles. അല്ലേ, ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ആംഗിൾസിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? Co-interior angle. Then the lines are parallel, so it satisfies the property of co-interior angle. What is the property of co-interior angle? The co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, then we starting. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle QRU is equal to 180. What is the reason? Since co-interior angles are supplementary, so angle PQR plus angle QRU is equal to 180. The next, we are substituting the value. Angle PQR is 110 plus angle QRU is equal to 180. Therefore, angle QRU is equal to 180 minus 110. Then what we get? 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Okay, then we got it. Now the angle value of QRU, what is that? That one is equal to 70. Correct? 70. The next, we finding the value of angle SRV. Okay, how to? The same idea. ST is parallel to UV and the two parallel lines cut by a transversal SR. There exists the angles, angle TSR and SRV. Correct? TSR and SRV. They also the co-interior angle. Then here also is possible to satisfy the property. Then here also is satisfy the property. co-integer angles are supplementary. Then how to write? The next angle TSR plus angle SRV is equal to 180. What is the reason? Since co-integer angle, then TSR means 130. 130 plus angle SRV is equal to 180. Therefore angle SRV is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So now we got it, these two angles. Then what is the sum of 70 plus QRS plus SRV? What is the sum of these three angles? Is very clear. If we add these three angles, then we get this angle, correct? This angle. So what we call this type of angle is a straight angle, is a line, correct? Is a line. So the sum of these three angles is equal to 180. Okay, here we have the angle more than 2, so it's not a linear pair. What is the idea behind this? Is a straight angle. Then we write therefore 70 plus angle QRS plus 50 is equal to 180. What is the reason? Since straight angle. Then 70 plus 50 is 120 plus angle QRS is equal to 180. Therefore angle QRS is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. What is the angle value of QRS? The angle value of QRS is equal to 60 degree. Here we discussing the next question. The question is like this. In figure, if AB parallel to CD, angle APQ is equal to 50 degree. Angle PRD is equal to 127. Find X and Y. Okay, then before you must remember one thing. In this type of question is we not have only one idea to find the values. Okay, we have the different methods to find the value. It's possible to find the same answer in different ways. Okay, if I follow here only one method, that means it's not only one method is for to find the value of X and Y. Okay, then you must practice. It's possible to find the value of X and Y in another method. Okay, but if we follow any method, we will get only one value for X and Y. Okay, ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് മാത്രമല്ല, നമുക്ക് ഇത് തന്നെ എക്സും വൈൻ്റെ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയാലും, ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മാത്രമല്ല ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലും ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വാല്യൂസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് മാത്രമെന്നല്ല, ഒരുപാട് മെത്തേഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു രീതി തന്നെയല്ല ഉണ്ടാവുക. നമുക്ക് പലതരത്തിലുള്ള ആംഗിളിൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസും വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇതെന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും? പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും, ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് തന്നെയാണ് എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കണം. നിങ്ങളുടേതായ രീതിയിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ശ്രമിക്കുക. പക്ഷേ ഏത് മെത്തേഡിൽ എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഒന്ന് തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ the question is very clear, is given directly. Is AB is parallel to CD. The line AB is parallel to CD, and here we have the another line cut by the parallel line. That one is PQ and PR. Then there get it the angle APQ is equal to 50, angle PRD is equal to 127 is given. Then the question asks to find the value of Y and X. Okay, then now we consider AB and CD are the two parallel lines. It cut by the transversal PQ. Okay, then there exists the angle APQ and angle PQR. What we call these two angles? Okay, ABCD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന രണ്ട് പാരലൽ ലൈനെ നമ്മൾ ഏത് കൊണ്ട് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക? PQ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ലൈൻ കൊണ്ട് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ ലൈനിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് ആണ് ആംഗിൾ എ പി ക്യു ആൻഡ് ആംഗിൾ പി ക്യു ആർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ what we call these angles 50 and x? Yes, is very clear. 50 and x are alternate integer angles, and here is already given AB is parallel to CD, therefore the alternate integer angles are equal. Okay, so how do we start? Given AB parallel to CD, therefore 50 and x are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Therefore, x is equal to 50. What is the reason? Since alternate interior angles are equal, and the lines are parallel. When the alternate interior angles are equal, if the lines are parallel. Okay, then now we got the value of x, correct? Then next we need to find only the value of y. Here we finding the another idea, the same idea. AB is parallel to CD, okay, and AB and CD, these two are parallel lines cut by the transversal PR. Okay, ഏതൊക്കെ എ ബി സി ഡി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന രണ്ട് പാരലൽ ലൈൻസിനെ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു മക്കളെ? പി ആർ. Then we get the angle there, angle APR and angle PRD. This complete, okay, the complete angle APR, this one total, and angle PRD. What we call the angle APR? This one and this 127. That's also alternate integer angle. Okay, alternate integer angle. The lines are parallel, therefore the alternate integer angles are equal. Okay, then how do we write? The next we are writing angle APR. Angle APR is equal to angle PRD. What is the reason? Since alternate integer angles, alternate integer angles are equal, so angle APR is equal to angle PRD. Then what is angle APR? Angle APR is the sum of APQ plus PQPR. അല്ലേ? APR എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ വലിയ ആംഗിൾ കിട്ടുന്നത് ഈ ചെറിയ ആംഗിളും ഈ ആംഗിളും കൂട്ടിയിട്ടാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആംഗിൾ APR ഏതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ സമ്മാണ് മക്കളെ? ആംഗിൾ APR is the sum of 50 plus y, correct? 50 plus y. Then therefore 50 plus y is equal to 127. 50 plus y is equal to 127. Therefore y is equal to 127 minus 50. 127 minus 50. I think you got it, the idea how to be write 50 plus y, because angle APR is the sum of 50 and y, correct? And 127, okay, they are alternate integer angle, therefore they are equal. That's why we wrote it here. Okay, then y is equal to 27 minus 50 is equal to 77. Okay, 77 degree. So now we got the value of x and y. X is equal to 50 degree and y is equal to 77 degree. Okay, then this also is possible to find the another idea. You just try that one.